How to create a Drive link to share files on mobile. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open Google Chrome. Let me tell you that there is also Google Drive application available, but here I will use Google Chrome because it's easier to use Google Drive on Chrome. First, you need to click on these three dots and enable the desktop site from here. After that, you need to go to Google Drive. For example, let's say I want to share this photo. Here you could have any folder, a video, an audio file, or even a document file. After that, what you need to do is look for these three dots here. Let me zoom in a bit and show you. This is my file, the JPG one, and then you need to click on these three dots you see here. As soon as you click on them, you need to scroll down and click on the share option you see here. Once you click on it, you see the copy link option. Now, what most people do is copy the link from here and share it, but the other person is not able to view it. For this particular scenario, what you absolutely need to do is allow me to meticulously demonstrate this to you by carefully clicking on this prominent share option. If you proceed to copy the unique link from this specific location and then subsequently share it with another individual, they will unequivocally not be able to gain access to it unless you have previously and explicitly added their precise email account right here within this interface. Without the crucial step of adding their designated email address, absolutely no one else will be able to successfully access this content using any other alternative email address whatsoever. However, if your intention is to share this valuable resource with someone without the prerequisite of adding their specific email address here, if you simply wish to provide them with the direct link so that they can effortlessly access your file, then what you are required to do is to carefully click on the restricted option, which is clearly visible here. After thoughtfully clicking on this option, please allow me to scroll up just a little bit to ensure full visibility. You will then distinctly observe the highly important option labeled anyone with the link. You are then required to precisely click on that particular option and patiently allow the system to fully update its settings. As you can clearly perceive, it has now been successfully updated. Following this, you will then distinctly see the viewer option presented here. You are then required to carefully click on this, and at this point you will also clearly see the editor option, which is equally important and available for selection.